Hi guys, this is 2016 Honda HRV 1.8 liter. So this head transmission is a CVT transmission. So this car had a problem is the transmission is not moving. So when we start the car, the car is starting is fine. The check engine light is on, and you can see the check system parking. Right. So when you put in the gear, okay, when you accelerate, it's not moving. It's car in drive. You can see the neutral mark is getting jammed. It's blinking, and you can see in here like the gear mark coming. So when you put the reverse, you can see the check system with the gear mark. So we first scan the car. You can follow up the what's the code. Okay guys, the mill status is on. With the enter, with the read codes. Okay, we got this code P0796. The pressure control solenoid C performance stuck off. So that code is related to the transmission inside of the shift solenoid circuit. So this one CVT transmission we not going to be the repair. So I'm going to replace for the whole transmission. So here the engine side. So we need to pull off this side, this the air cleaner duct, and the filter housing, the battery, and we have to clear all this area to take it out of the transmission. Okay, we off the transmission side. Look at the engine mount in here. And the cooler, we have the cooler in here. So I can see the bolts in here. So we drain the oil. You can see the underneath the transmission. This is a number. So and you can here see the cooler is off. So we off the whole axle. The hub is completely stuck. So the suspension side. Okay. You can see the starter motor. The other side you can see in here the axle. Okay, we off the torque converter ball already. So they have 8 10mm bolts. You can turn it. You can see now is the torque converter is free. So we off the drain plug. You can see in here in the metal pieces is the CVT chain broken inside. That's the problem is this gearbox. Okay guys, here's the transmission. We already off. And here the torque converter. So we need to put the new transmission. We already got the new transmission. So here the crankshaft side. In here, the one plate in here. We're getting this bolt in here. The crankshaft bolts. Okay. This is the cooler, oil cooler. The starter motor is staying here. Guys, here's the new transmission. So this is a second-hand transmission. So it's come with the new torque converter. This is the old one. The transmission part number is both is same. We have to make sure is first before the putting the transmission is numbers is all right. So if before the put in the torque converter, you can make sure the seals all okay. All right. So again put it back. Okay, all good. See the gap. Okay guys, we line the transmission and we put the 217mm bolt the bottom side. Okay, we have to, after that we have to put the wiring. We have to tie this 17mm bolt and the other one there. Okay, we need to put this side 17mm bolt and this one. So we're going to tight the torque converter bolt. Can to line it. So turn the second bolt. Okay, we tied all the torque converter bolt. So we installed the cooler line with the new cooler. It's coming in the bottom. Yep, it's coming in here. That's the 10 bolt. Okay guys, here's the transmission fluid. You can use this on the Honda. You can see in here H3 F2. That's the oil, the compatible oil. Okay, here's the top filler plug. You can off this one here. Here's the bottom. It's a level plug. This one we have to put the oil pouring out in here. It's like a differential system, and this drain plug is tied. We put the funnel and put the oil. So then have to check the bottom line. So we tied the bolt. Okay guys, after that we're going to start the engine. You can see, so you can see the no any light in the cluster, engine light, the transmission light, all is gone. So now we have to drive the car for the gears, the changing of the gear. The reverse. Maybe a couple of minutes shift the gears, so then after check the level again. So after change the gears, we have to take it out the level nut again, and engine is stop. Have to put the oil again. Okay, so oil is out. We put more, then close the plug. So we tied the 17mm bolt. So then after we check the cords again, the mill status is off. Maybe read the cords. So all cord is gone. No need to erase it. No pending codes. Okay, all good. Okay guys, engine is running fine. We done the already job. We put the new transmission in it. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching my videos. We see you in the next one.